What if I told you one tiny garlic clove could turn into a full bulb packed with flavor? And it's one of the easiest crops you can grow at home? Garlic is low maintenance, beginner friendly, and incredibly rewarding. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to grow garlic from planting all the way to harvest, so you can grow huge, healthy bulbs in your own garden. Choosing garlic. The first step is choosing the right garlic. There are two main types, hardneck and softneck garlic. Hardneck varieties usually have stronger flavor and grow best in colder climates, while softneck garlic stores longer and does better in warmer areas. Always use seed garlic from a garden center or farmer instead of grocery store garlic, because store garlic is often treated to prevent sprouting. Best time to plant. Garlic is usually planted in the fall, about 4 to 6 weeks before the ground freezes. This gives the cloves time to develop roots before winter arrives. If you live in a warm climate, you can also plant in late winter. Garlic loves cool weather during its early growth stages, which helps produce larger bulbs later on. Preparing the soil. Garlic grows best in loose, rich, well-draining soil. Mix compost or aged manure into the bed to give the plants plenty of nutrients. Avoid compact soil because garlic bulbs need room to expand underground. Choose a sunny location that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day. Planting the cloves. Break apart the garlic bulb carefully and plant each clove individually with the pointed side facing upward. Place the cloves about 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart. After planting, cover the soil with mulch like straw or dried leaves. Mulch helps keep moisture in the soil, protects the cloves during winter, and reduces weed growth. Watering and care. Once the garlic starts growing in spring, keep the soil consistently moist but not soaking wet. Garlic does not like overly soggy conditions because too much water can cause rot. Remove weeds regularly, since weeds compete for nutrients and can reduce bulb size. Healthy garlic plants should develop strong green leaves throughout the growing season. Fertilizing for bigger bulbs. To grow larger bulbs, garlic benefits from extra nitrogen early in the season. You can feed the plants with compost tea, fish emulsion, or a balanced organic fertilizer every few weeks during spring. Stop fertilizing once the bulbs begin swelling because at that stage, the plant shifts its energy into bulb development instead of leaf growth. Removing garlic scapes. If you're growing hardneck garlic, you'll notice curly green shoots called scapes forming in early summer. These should be removed so the plant focuses its energy on growing bigger bulbs underground. The good news is garlic scapes are edible and taste delicious in stir fries, pesto, or grilled dishes. Harvesting garlic. Garlic is ready to harvest when the lower leaves start turning yellow, while a few upper leaves remain green. Carefully loosen the soil with a fork and lift the bulbs gently to avoid damage. Don't pull the plants straight out by the stems because this can break them apart. Freshly harvested garlic already smells amazing at this stage. Drying and conclusion. After harvesting, cure the garlic by hanging it in a dry, shaded, well-ventilated place for about 2 to 3 weeks. Once cured, trim the roots and stems and store the bulbs in a cool, dry area. Growing garlic is simple, productive, and incredibly satisfying because one clove can multiply into an entire bulb. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what garlic varieties you want to grow next.